Alright, let's take a closer look at what makes the Harvia Virta one of the most reliable and efficient sauna heaters on the market. The Harvia Virta is designed with versatility in mind, available in multiple kilowatt options to fit saunas of various sizes, from small personal spaces to larger homes or commercial setups. Its robust design ensures even heat distribution, and it's built for long-term durability with minimal maintenance required. And one of the key features of this heater is the stones do not come in contact with the elements whatsoever. There's actually a special tray designed to protect the elements that the stones sit on top of. Electrical requirements are clearly outlined, making installation straightforward and safe. With a large stone capacity, the Virta provides soft, consistent heat, ensuring every session feels luxurious. This Virta comes in a few different kilowatt options. It comes in 6 kilowatt, 8 kilowatt, 9 kilowatt, and 11. So what does that mean for you? This heater will handle up to 635 cubic feet. It also requires 150 pounds of stones, which comes with this heater free. This is compatible with Xenio digital controls, or you can also get this heater with mechanical controls. This heater is available for commercial or residential settings. You have the option of choosing between 241 phase or 208 3-phase. The Virta's advanced design makes it not only efficient, but also aesthetically pleasing, seamlessly blending into your sauna setup. In my personal opinion, this is the best looking heater Harvia offers, and on top of that, it's very, very low maintenance due to the elements being protected. Alright guys, so if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd be happy to answer those questions, or you can check out our whole line of Harvia products at saunaplace.com.